If you can get 10 out of 10 in this quiz, you are amazing. Question 1. What app has a blue bird logo? Twitter. Question 2. Who made Stranger Things? Netflix. Question 3. Who is the hero in The Legend of Zelda? Link. Question 4. What is Japan's capital? Tokyo. Question 5. What is Lady Gaga's real first name? Stefani. Question 6. Who makes PlayStation? Sony. Question 7. What company owns SpaceX? Tesla. Question 8. What drug does Walter White make? Blue Sky. Question 9. What is South Korea's currency? 1. Question 10. What was the first YouTube video? Me at the zoo.